name is Karishma and I come from Delhi. And to begin with, I'll start with the punchline, and that's as simple as it's a shame that most people don't know about this property. It's the beautiful environment of Kashmir. This is one thing that I would strongly recommend. Anybody who's looking for relaxation, anybody who wants to stay in the lap of nature amidst the mountains, anybody who wants to explore the village life, the rustic, rural, bucolic lifestyle, the indigenous knowledge of the native people, a lot of bird song here, good food, plantation. What I like the most about this place is the detailing that has gone into every corner. I love the library, the mud house. The people were warmer. It was a beautiful, beautiful experience, and I think it will stay with me all my life. So if you're a person who loves nature, who wants to explore the real Kashmiri life, I think Sagg Eco Village is the place for you. Thank you.